Hello, this is my second presentation tool, and I used videoscribe, and my course theme is the alphabet, so I'm again going over the sounds of the alphabet, and I created this videoscribe, and I added all these pictures right here, and then I added a voiceover as well. And then, so here, so as you can see, I just make the sound that in the voiceover I mimic the sound while they're drawing the picture, and then I do that for all of the letters of the alphabet.